Okay, I hope all of you can see the first page of the chapter. Now, this MCQ we had already completed yesterday, right? If in case anybody has not done it or if you were absent, जैसे कैनिल है वो कल नहीं था, है ना? तो you can take the screenshot of this page and then I will turn. Anybody requires this page? Okay, this is the next page. This page also was completed yesterday. The 3 remaining MCQs and fill in the blanks up to 17. अगर ये किसी को कल रह गया था, in case if the lecture got ended and you could not write it, then you can take the screenshot of this page also. Anybody requires this page now? Okay. So let's go towards the next page. Here you have the remaining 2 blanks. Then you have true or false and match the following. Okay. You will complete the blanks first, then leave 2 or 3 lines, give the title true or false. सिर्फ true or false लिखना, don't write the full statement. Okay? और questions में whichever statements are true, sentence लिख के true लिख दो, but if the statement is false, you will have to write the correct statement also, as we were doing in the previous chapters. Chapter 1, 2, 3 में जो भी किया है before unit test, the same we will continue. जैसे India was divided into many small and large parts at the end of the 6th century, then it is false. The correct statement is at the end of the 7th century. So you have to correct the statement also. Okay? Then after you complete true or false, leave 2 or 3 lines, give the title match the following. Again, don't write the full sentence, only write match the following. And how will you write it? You tell me, chalo. यस वेरी गुड. मिहिर भोज डैश करके प्रतिहार, भोज डैश करके परमार, सेतुंगवन डैश करके चेरा, लाइक दैट. नाउ लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. मेजर फॉलोइंग वाला एक और क्वेश्चन है नेक्स्ट पेज में. सो वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू. 4 आर ऑन दिस पेज, अदर 4 आर ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, जो मैं बाद में शेयर करूंगी. बट सी टू इट दैट यू डोंट राइट द अदर इंस्ट्रक्शंस. ये 4 के बाद आगे कुछ लिखना नहीं. 5, 6, 7, 8 पीछे है. ओके. नाउ एनी क्वेरीज, एनी क्वेश्चंस यू वांट टू आस्क एनीबॉडी? यस. Okay, any other things you want to ask? Any questions, anybody? Are you all clear on this page? Yes or no? Okay, start writing. And today we have to complete the other page also. So don't write very slowly. Continue. Okay, Ansh? True or false number 4. Rudradaman had not constructed Kailash temple. It was Narsi Verma. So correct statement में आप नरसी वर्मा लिखोगे. Got it, Ansh? Yay, and Purva, have you taken the screenshots, beta, both of you? Shall I turn the page? Okay, now here you can see there are more measure following. Yes, this will be your number 5, 6, 7, 8. So that you don't need to write any other instructions or anything else. Okay? Number 5, Narsi Verma. 6, Raj Raja 1. 7, Prithviraj. And 8, Govind. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? After this, leave 2 or 3 lines and see the instructions written. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Be ready with the instruction also, and then I will give you question number 5.1. Okay? Chalo, start. Okay. Yes, this is your whiteboard. Now we have already written the instruction, main instruction number 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Under that, now we will be writing question 5.1. Write down the question. After the death Check the spelling on the screen. Death of which king? Which king did the feudal lords? अभी आप सबको पता होना चाहिए कि फ्यूडल लॉर्ड्स कौन थे, पता है ना? फ्यूडल लॉर्ड्स become free. I repeat, after the death of which king did the feudal lords become free? Put a question mark. Feudal lords means the samant or the zamindar who used to collect from the people. याद आया? Yes. वेरी गुड, क्या बात है, आंसर भी बोल दिया, वेरी गुड। चलो तो जो आंसर टीआई ने बोला वही लिखना है। आई एम रिपीटिंग, टीआई ने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया बट आई एम रिपीटिंग इट सो दैट यू कैन राइट। ओके, राइट डाउन। आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ किंग हर्षवर्धन एच कैपिटल, the feudal lords became free. The feudal lords became free. Full stop, complete. Any doubts? Okay. चलो ओके चलो क्वेश्चन 2। Who were feudal lords? Who were W-E-R-E? Who were feudal lords? Put a question mark. Okay, now this answer I will be sharing in the next lecture because again I will have to open the textbook और अभी मैं टेक्स्ट बुक शेयर करना स्टार्ट करूंगी तब तक लेक्चर खत्म हो जाएगा। ओके, सो वी विल बी रेडी अप टू क्वेश्चन 5.2, आंसर 5.2 in the next lecture. Any doubts? Anybody? Yes, dear. Okay, students, so this page will be shared by Jay in the next lecture, and I will be giving you answer 5.2. Any questions, anybody? Yes. Actually, there are answer 5.2, 5.4, 5.5, 5.9. All these answers are in this page itself. So, ध्येय ये पेज संभाल के रखना।